welcome all of you to Educare Biology. Today I will discuss about crop protection management. I have discussed before improvement in food resources, improvement in food resources, improvement in food resources are divided into three categories. First হচ্ছে crop variety improvement, I have discussed before. Second, crop production improvement, I have discussed before videos. Today I will discuss about crop protection management. Crop protection management. First, what is crop protection management? Crop protection management. Crop protection management is the controlling of crops from different pathogens, different insects, different pests, different weeds for their harmful activation to reduce the crop production. If this is effectively not controlled, the damage will be very, very high and would go beyond expectation. A crop production management different from different crops. But the principle of this management is to destroy different type of pathogens, that is bacteria, virus, fungus, insects, various types of pests and other abiotic factors. First, I will discuss about the most important type of crop protection management is they are weeds. I will discuss weeds. I will discuss not only weeds, disease, next pests and storage of food grains. These are the four criteria of my discussion. First, weeds. What is weeds? They are unwanted plants that are grown in the cultivated fields along with crop plants. It varies from plant to plant. It is divided into four categories. They are very harmful to the crop plants and as it reduces the crop yielding. The four types of weeds are A. Kharif season weeds. Kharif season monocot weeds. B. Kharif season dicot weeds. C. Rabi season monocot weeds. D. Rabi season dicot weeds. Kharif season monocot weeds, as for example, Cyprinus rotundus, Cyprinus rotundus, Cyprinus rotundus. Kharif season dicot weeds, wild oak. Rabi season monocot weeds, Amaranthus species. Amaranthus species. Rabi season dicot species, convolvulus species. These are the 4 types of weeds. Next, effects. Effects of weeds. What are the effects of these weeds? First, weeds overcome the crop plants and deprive them for nutrients, space, light, water. It is the first. Second, weeds release chemicals that is harmful to the crop plant, which reduces the plant growth. Next, number 3, sometimes seeds of weeds are intermingled with the seeds of crop plants and hampers the quality of seed. So, weeds are very, very harmful to the crop plants on nutrient deficiency to the crop plant, to chemical which is harmful to crop plant. Next, sometimes they compete with the crop plant. The pests attacks the weeds as well as they are the alternate host of crop plant. By the alternate host of crop plant, they destroy the weeds, they destroy the crops. So, 4 types of effect are found on crop plants by the weeds. Number 1, nutrient depreciation. Nutrient depreciation of crop plants. B. Number B, seed contamination. contamination. Number C, chemical that harmful to crop plants. They exude chemicals which are harmful to crop. Number D, alternative host. Which are alternative host? So, by the alternative host, they destroy the crop. These are the four effects of weeds. Next, weed control. Weed control. How the weeds can be controlled? First, one, manual uprooting. Manual uprooting. Number two, timely sowing. Number three, deep ploughing. Number four, deep ploughing. Number four, weedicides. Number five, biocontrol. These are the four control methods. First, weeds can be manually uprooted as early as possible when they are grown in the crop field. Secondly, timely. Seeds are sown timely. That can be prevented. That can prevent weeds. Next, deep plough. In summer season, deep plough should be stop the growth of weeds. Weedicides, that is 2,4-D, atrazine would be sprayed on the weeds. That could damage or destroy the weeds. Next, biocontrol. It is the biological control methods by which weeds can be destroyed. Next, after weeds, I discuss about disease. Diseases are caused by bacteria, virus, fungus, or various types of pests, insects, etc. Disease reduce the crop yield. Disease may be soil-borne, disease may be seed-borne, disease may be airborne, disease may be waterborne. That is, pathogens like bacteria, virus, fungus, or different types of pests. Insects could be born by this method and causes several diseases. Next, disease can be overcome. Disease can be overcome. Number one, by treating chemicals on soil and seed. Roman 2, by spraying fungicide Broadex should be the first fungicide that to be sprayed. Number 3, by spraying insecticides, parathion, malathion, lindol, etc. can be sprayed regularly. Next, Roman 4, disease control, variety should be chosen. Next, after disease, I will discuss about pest. What are pests? Pests are the insects which causes damage to the crop plants. They are very harmful to the crop plants. They feed on crop plants, damage the stem, root, fruit, flowers, etc. The pest, various types of pests may be found. Insects pest, fungi pest. There are several types. They're mainly not fungi. They're mainly insects. They should be properly maintained to store the crop plants. Next, pests are various types. Number A, chewing pests. Chewing pests. Number 2, sucking pest. Number 3, borer pest. What are chewing pest? They cut and feed on leaves, stems, and roots. They are caterpillar, locusts, etc. Hopper, etc. Next, the sucking pest, they suck the juice of the plants and damage the crops. They may be aphids, white flies, leafhopper, etc. Next, borer pest. They bore the stem, root, seed, fruit, and damage the same. They are larvae of various moths, beetles, etc. These are three types of pests. Next, pest control. Pest how to pest control. Number one, pest may be controlled by the various methods. First of all, clean cultivation. Number two, deep ploughing. Number three, pesticides, fungicides, etc. would be sprayed on the crop. Next, biocontrol method would be applied. First of all, clean cultivation. Number two, deep ploughing. Number three, pesticides, that is parathion, malathion, etc. would be sprayed on the crop plant. Number four, fungicides. Would be sprayed on the crop plants. Next, biocontrol. Next, pest control varieties. Would be suited. Would be suited. These are the control measures of pesticides. Next, number four, I will discuss about storage of grains. Storage of grains. Storage of grain is very, very needed for the subsequent use of the food grains. If we not store the grains in future, that is in subsequent year, the crops would be destroyed and we will be in danger. So, storage of crop for the subsequent years is very, very needed. If storage of food is hampered, the food grains would be damaged by various biotic and abiotic factors. So, storage of grains is very important for crop protection management. How to store the food grains? There are several methods are adopted by the farmers and others to store the food grains. Now, food grains, first prevention measures. What are the prevention measures of food grain? Number one, cleaning. Number two, drying. Number three, gunny bags. Cleaning. First of all, cleaning of food grains is very, very necessary. Without cleaning the food grains would be damaged. Next, drying. Drying of food grains is also very, very necessary, because if the moisture contained with the grain, fungus infestation takes place. Next, gunny bags. Gunny bags would be new and disease free. This is the control measure. Next, first, abiotic factors. Abiotic factors which causes the damage of food grains. Abiotic factors are A, excessive moisture. B, humidity. C, high temperature. Excessive moisture could decay the grain. Humidity causes the infestation of fungus. Next, high temperature damages the enzyme activity and favors the attack of various insects. So, these are very harmful. Next, biotic factor. Biotic factors are A. There are several types of biotic factors, which may be insects, worms, nematodes, bacteria, virus, fungus, etc. are the biotic factors. They contaminated the food drains with excreta, urine, hairs, etc. The quality of food drain become deteriorate and market value and germinativity becomes deteriorated. Next, abiotic factor, biotic factor. Those are harmful for storage of plants. Next, effective measures. First cleaning, second drying, third I have discussed cleaning, drying. Next, control measure. Another type of control measure is hygiene. Go down or warehouse would be clean, which do not contaminated of previous year's grain. Next, exhaust and ventilators would be checked that it prevents the birds. Next, rodents and rats should be controlled properly. This is called hygiene. Control measure, hygiene. Then placement. Gunny bags are placed on a stone or iron or wooden stands away from the walls. So, preventive measures are drying, cleaning, gunny bags, hygiene and placement. These are all the preventive measures. Next, control measures. Control measures. Warehouse should be checked at 15 days interval. 15 days interval. And if the sign of damage, if the sign of damage, excreta, web, cocoon and fungus are found, immediately proper measures should be taken. First, number one, pesticides. Pesticides would be sprayed on gunny bags. On gunny bags. That is BAC, malathion, parathion, etc. Next, fumigation. Warehouse should be fumigated by aluminium phosphide, ethylene dichloride. These fumes destroy the pests. At home, boric acid, neem kernel powder, or black pepper dust would be applied to control the seed and pulse. This is all about protection measurement. Thank you all.